Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sorin Space. Sorin Study is not a grand project. It is simply a small step taken toward a very clear direction. I know that at the beginning it will be imperfect. The content will evolve. The methods will be revised. The path will be tested, broken, and rebuilt. That is not failure. That is exploration. Because what matters most is not perfection at the start, but whether the direction is right. My intention is simple and steady, to provide both children and grown-ups with a learning system that can be revisited, expanded, and grown into over time. Not for competition, not for selection, not to create a few successful individuals, but to reduce a long-standing loss that humanity has barely acknowledged, the waste of human brain resources. Too many minds are consumed entirely by survival. Too much curiosity is extinguished by evaluation and comparison. Too much potential for understanding and creation is never activated. This is not because humans lack intelligence, but because we fail to give the brain enough space, time, and respect. Sorin Study does not aim to teach everyone everything. Its purpose is to reignite something that already exists within every human being, the original desire to know and the instinctive curiosity about the world. When someone regains the confidence to say, I can understand, I deserve to understand, and understanding the world is joyful, they are no longer just a unit consumed by the system. They become a participant in the ongoing construction of civilization. So this is not an invitation to merely learn. It is an invitation to join a quiet but essential endeavor, shifting human brains from survival-driven labor toward understanding, shared knowledge, and civilizational progress. Because our brains are not disposable tools. They are not cheap resources. They are the most precious and irreplaceable gift granted to humanity by the Creator. And only a civilization that respects and fully utilizes this gift deserves to be called a civilization. Sorin Study is only a beginning. If you wish, we can take this journey together. Thank you.